Welcome to the Bohemian Multi-Leaves Tassel Necklace tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to create a beautiful handmade necklace using bronze chain, delicate leaf charms. Get your materials ready for this project. For the base of this project, we will need 2 cable chains, one with large 18 and 11 mm links, and a second chain with medium oval links. These chains create a beautiful layered bohemian foundation. For the necklace tassel, we will use 20 mm filigree leaf charms and a dozen 10 mm jump rings. These components create a beautiful cascading tassel effect, adding movement and a delicate bohemian touch. We will also need an extension chain, lobster clasp, and a small tag to complete and secure the necklace closure. Last but not least, you will need jewelry pliers to open and close jump rings securely while assembling your bohemian necklace. Plan your necklace length before starting. Decide whether you want 18 inches, short, 20 inches, classic, or 22 inches, long. For this project, I am using an 18-inch chain length to create a balanced and elegant bohemian necklace design. For the second chain, I am using a 20-inch chain length to create a slightly longer layer for a beautiful bohemian look. As you see, the first cable chain is shorter, while the second chain is longer, creating a beautiful layered bohemian necklace design. It is necessary to lay both chains flat on your work surface because we will attach them together using jump rings for proper alignment. Using flat pliers, open the jump ring by twisting it sideways. Gently rotate the pliers instead of pulling apart to avoid damaging or weakening the jump ring. At the middle of the chains, insert the jump ring through one link of the second chain and one link of the first chain. Using flat pliers, carefully close the jump ring securely to hold both chains together. Close the jump ring tightly using your pliers, making sure the ends meet perfectly so the connection is secure and strong. Place both chains flat on your work surface. Fold them to locate the center, and ensure the jump ring is positioned exactly in the middle of the folded chains. Open another jump ring using your pliers and insert it into a link of the second chain. Skip 2 chain links to create spacing. Then attach the jump ring to the next link of the first chain. Carefully close the jump ring tightly using pliers, ensuring both ends align perfectly to create a secure and strong connection between the chains. For the smaller chain, skip 2 links between connections. With the larger cable chain, skip only 1 link to maintain even spacing. This keeps the layered necklace balanced. Open another jump ring and repeat the same process. Attach it through the chain links as before, then close the jump ring tightly to secure the connection. Sometimes you may need to apply a little extra force to insert the jump ring, because the large chain links have a thicker gauge, which can require additional effort. Anytime you attach a jump ring, make sure both sides are even and aligned properly for a balanced and secure connection. Now we have finished attaching the jump rings along half of the 2 chains, securing them together and creating the layered base for the necklace. Let's move on to finish the other half of the necklace. Open a jump ring and insert it through both chain links, connecting them carefully. Use your pliers to close the jump ring tightly so the chains stay aligned and securely attached. You can come back later and check each jump ring carefully, tightening them with pliers to ensure every connection is secure. Keep the chains laid flat while working to prevent tangling and ensure the necklace layers stay aligned and easy to assemble. Open another jump ring and repeat the same process. Insert it through the corresponding chain links, then close it tightly to keep both chains aligned and securely connected. You can use different chain textures and colors according to your preference. Mixing styles adds character and helps create a unique bohemian necklace that reflects your personal style. We are almost done connecting the two chains using the jump rings. Continue attaching the remaining links carefully until both chains are securely connected. By the way, you can easily find these materials online. Many jewelry making supplies are available on platforms like Etsy, where you can purchase quality components at a decent and affordable price. Open the last jump ring and insert it through the final links of both chains, then close it tightly to secure. Your chains are now connected. Take a moment to carefully check every jump ring and make sure each one is tightly closed with no gaps before moving on to the next step. This ensures the necklace is secure and neatly assembled. Lay your chain flat on the work surface and arrange the filigree leaf charms in place. This helps you clearly see the design before attaching them. Using your pliers, open a jump ring and insert it through the loop of the filigree leaf charm. Then attach the jump ring to the middle link of the chain and close it tightly. Ensure the jump ring is fully closed so the filigree charm hangs securely in place. Our first tassel is now attached to the chain, adding the beginning of the beautiful cascading Bohemian necklace design. Repeat the same process with the second tassel. Open a jump ring, attach it through the filigree leaf loop and chain link, then close tightly. When attaching each tassel, skip one chain link between them. This spacing helps the tassels hang evenly and creates a balanced flowing Bohemian design. Continue adding the tassels along the chain using the same method. Attach each tassel with a jump ring and keep the spacing consistent for a balanced, flowing Bohemian design. The tassels are fairly large, designed to match the size of the big cable chain links and create a bold, balanced Bohemian statement necklace. Keep adding the tassels along the chain using jump rings. Maintain even spacing between each tassel so the necklace design looks balanced and creates a flowing Bohemian style. When attaching the tassels, focus on the middle section of the necklace. This helps create a balanced centerpiece and highlights the cascading Bohemian design beautifully. You can fill the necklace with tassels all around if you prefer. Add as many as you like to create a fuller, richer Bohemian look. Now we will move to the final tutorial step of this project, where we complete the necklace and prepare it for wearing. Open a jump ring with your pliers and insert it through the end link of the necklace chain. Then attach it to the first link of the extension chain and close the jump ring tightly to secure the connection. The extension chain should be a sturdy cable chain to provide better support for the necklace and ensure durability and comfortable adjustment when worn. It does not matter whether you attach the extension chain first or the clasp closure. Both methods work well, as long as each jump ring is closed securely. Open another jump ring with your pliers. Insert it through the end link of the necklace chain. Attach the lobster clasp, then close the jump ring tightly. For this necklace, I am using a 15mm lobster clasp to provide a secure and easy-to-use closure. For the final touch, optionally add a small tag or bronze bead to the extension chain for a decorative, professional finish. Open the final jump ring for this project using your pliers. Insert it through the end link of the extension chain, then add the tag or small bead. Carefully close the jump ring tightly to secure the decorative finishing touch. Before finishing, carefully check the entire necklace for any gaps or openings in the jump rings, and tighten them to ensure everything is secure. Your beautiful Bohemian necklace is ready to wear, sell, or gift. Enjoy your handmade creation and share your unique style. Thanks for watching.